Hi there, how are you? My name is Gena Golden with Inner Coach Counseling, and I wanted to tell you about our workshop that we're having. We're having it this Saturday. We've been having a workshop every other Saturday throughout the summer and now going into the fall. And this particular workshop that's coming up this Saturday, the 24th, is on crystals. So if you want to learn about beautiful crystals like this one, or exotic stones and crystals like this one even, or the tried and true, some of the favorite ones that you may be familiar with, right? All sorts of beautiful, you see how that captures the light? But we're going to be talking about that, even this one. So I'm not going to tell you the names of these crystals because I want you to be able to come to the workshop and we'll talk about the names of the crystals. We'll talk about how to use crystals for emotional balance, right? So we know that we use nature to help us in all sorts of ways. So why not use crystals? They come from Mother Nature as well. So we're going to have an overview of just what a crystal actually is. We're going to talk about how crystals are formed. We're going to talk about the proper care and even the storage of your crystals. We're going to talk about how to cleanse them and how to charge your crystals, because you can charge your crystals. We're going to talk about how to select them, right? This is one, and we may even talk about how to get them too, right? This is one that I personally got myself from the earth. If you can guess what this one is, let me know in the comments below. So put in the comments what you think this crystal is. And we're going to talk again about, just how to use these crystals to help you feel better, to help you feel more calm, more relaxed, less stressed out. Some of them have the energy of love. Some of them help with sleep, right? So we know that it takes various elements all throughout this beautiful place we call Mother Earth. And so Mother Earth has so many goodies for us. So if you want to learn more, come on out to our workshops. We do a workshop every other Saturday. And we've been doing them throughout the summer and now into the fall. We'll probably do another holistic series in the winter. We have a very small, intimate setting, so that's why the tickets are, they go quickly, and it's an intimate setting, so you have to hurry up and get your ticket if you want to come. We're going to be meeting this Saturday at 1 p.m. We're in the community called Buckhead, Atlanta. It's between Buckhead and Brookhaven, Atlanta, Georgia. Easily, you're able to easily assess, it's easily accessible right off of Highway 85 for most people. We have free parking, and we're just going to hang out and just hang with our friends because these crystals are our friends, at least for the people who really love crystals and connect with crystals. So if you want to learn how to then use these beautiful crystals in your own home or in your own practice to help you with emotional balance, then come on out. Seats are limited. The seats are $20. That's it, $20 per workshop. And I've been doing multiple workshops. Right after the crystal workshop, we're going to be doing a workshop on using herbs, such as herbal teas and various other herbs to help you again with emotional balance, right? Sometimes it's for mental clarity or sleep or inciting comfort or joy, peace, right? All of these beautiful parts of nature can help us to thrive. Thank you all for joining me. Hi, Eliana and Kamaria. Hey, Kamaria. And Tremaine. Hi, Tremaine. So thank you all for joining me here today. Let me wave at you. Yeah, some of the names went past. Let's see who else is here. Bathsheba. Hey, Bathsheba. Yeah, so again, let's see, what else do we have coming up on the horizon? We also have a training on essential oils. So that is going to be an awesome training. We're going to talk about how to use essential oils for emotional balance. Everything is all about how do we just get more balance in our lives? How do we acquire like a sense of homeostasis, right? So again, a lot of elements on Earth are here to help us. So why not use them? Mother Earth has produced such beautiful things, very exotic things for us, lovely, lovely objects, right? Some people really connect with crystals. And so if you connect with crystals, come on out. If you want to learn about crystals for the very first time, this is a great training as well. You may have been wanting to learn more about them and you just didn't know how or who to connect with. Well, you can come on out this Saturday. In fact, every other Saturday I'm doing a training. So I look forward to connecting with you. My contact information is below the video. And so just hop on over there. The tickets are on Eventbrite. Go ahead and get them now because they're going to go fast. It's a very small, intimate setting. So I will see you this Saturday at 1 p.m. in Atlanta, Georgia. Take care. Peace.